They all alive?
Yep. Should be 14 red cherry shrimp.
Okay, put it down here so I can see.
Here, put on this white. See him there. Look at that. Ain't that cool? And all the females, or at least most of the females, should be barred, which means they're carrying eggs.
Really? I'm supposed to be excited about that?
Yeah, you sure are.
You sure they're alive?
They're alive. You don't see them moving in there?
Well, I don't see this moving.
If they were dead, they'd be upside down and kind of an orange color. Oh, look, see this one right here? That's a female carrying eggs. She has about 50 eggs.
How do you know?
That's the average they have. With her swimmerettes,
Are you just making
which are these little like fingery things that hold the eggs up.
Yeah.
She's got about 50 on her right now.
Can you see the eggs?
If you know what you're looking for. They're just under her tail. Trying to see if it will like... Let me back up and see if it'll focus and then slowly go in. Like right here, this clear one, that's a male. They rarely have any color on them, but the females are the ones with the color.
And what kind are these?
Red cherry shrimp.
Red? Huh?
Or neocaridina, the red variety.
Red cherry shrimp.
Actually, they come in any color you want. These are red neocaridinas if you want to be specific.
Wow. Alright, that's cool. You sound like such a homeschooler.
Rude.
Huh. Hey y'all, I hope everyone's having a great day. Today we had some car issues, so I had to shuffle people around. So in the video you'll see I was picking Elijah up from work, and then we came back home and he got some shrimp in the mail. I didn't even know he had ordered any shrimp. So in his room he has maybe about 5 fish tanks, maybe 6, I'm not sure, it's a bunch. One of them he has crawfish in it. Some of them he has fish, and I guess one of them he's going to have shrimp. And one of them he has a snapping turtle. Yes, he has a snapping turtle in a tank in his room. He got the snapping turtle when it was about like that big. I mean, it was tiny, tiny. And it's larger now. But he feeds it and cares for it and everything. So he's had it, gosh, over a year. I'll have to ask him how long he has had it, but he's had it a long time. And then I had to go pick Dakota up from work, and we were going to come home and let him rest a little bit and then go to town, but we both just kind of crashed. We didn't do anything else until late tonight, just before, we woke up and just piddled around, ate dinner, and then we did our tidy up in the house and cleaned up real quick before we head to bed. Dakota's going over the kitchen floor right now, and Elijah's in the shower. My husband Jody's already gone to bed. He was super, super tired. He hurt his knee a couple of weeks ago. One morning while he was getting dressed for work, he just started hollering out with his knee hurting and pain. And he said, he hollered for me to get up. You're going to take me to the ER. And this man don't go to the doctor for nothing. I mean, he thought the knee was absolutely broke. Somehow or another, he twisted it, I guess, while he was getting dressed for work. I don't know. But it hurt him bad enough that he wanted to go to the ER, and that is not my husband. So he went to the ER, and they said it was sprang or twisted really bad. And I think I gave him a muscle relaxer prescription. maybe some pain meds. I can't really remember. They did an x-ray and it was not broke. But it is still bothering him really, really bad. And so he's afraid that something is torn in there. Like, I don't even know. He told me, but I can't remember. He said 2 different things that could be torn in there. So he's going to have to end up going and getting a CAT scan. So, it doesn't look like he's going to make himself an appointment. So I guess I'll make an appointment. And then, the only other thing I did today was worked more on a cleaning schedule. Broke the house down into zones, and so worked on zone 1 since this is the first week of the month. And so the boys kind of helped me with that tonight also. And then what I decided to do was I made cards for zone 1. And I guess that's backwards for y'all reading that, but it says zone 1, the front porch, the parlor, and the bathroom. And then I made a card for everything that needs to be done on the front porch, the parlor, and then the bathroom. Everything that needs to be done in there in a month, over the week. So what I'm going to do is laminate these cards. It's 4 cards. I'm going to laminate all of them and then hole punch it right here and put that on one of those silver rings. So that's zone 1. And I can just have that out. And if it's laminated, I can use a dry erase marker to mark things as they're done throughout the week so that we'll know that we did get everything done. So we could do it that way, or sometimes we might just I might take the bathroom, give Dakota the parlor card, and give Elijah the front porch card, and then just get it done at one time. Breaking it down in zones. It's a fly lady cleaning schedule thingy. I used to do that way back in the day. Maybe even before Elijah was born. Or when he was a baby. I can't remember, but it's been a very long time. So the idea of that is you spend the whole week in zone 1, working 15 minutes at a time, doing little things, and by the end of the week you're supposed to have it done, I guess. So we'll see how that goes. Just with everybody's work schedule, it's just too much. It's too much for them to try to do after working all day and then coming home. So we're going to break this down and see if this doesn't help some, make things a little easier on us. But anyway, that's all I got for y'all today. I hope y'all had a great day, and you've had a great week so far. Today, when this video shows, it'll be Thursday, so we're looking forward to the weekend.